Myself Vishal Mehta from Medisky Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. I am a director of company and we are manufacturing tablet, capsules, ointment, gel creams. Our plant is WHO GMP and Ivory Coast approved. And our plant is located in Gujarat and nearby Ahmedabad. And this is a good place to get the all overseas, even though domestic players or manufacturers, suppliers, buyers. So it is very good exposure, and we are thankful for the Pharmexil for organizing this kind of events. Thank you so much. Response is very good. We are getting good leads, good buyers and all this stuff. So after the exhibition, definitely we are coordinating and we'll do the follow up, and hopefully we are expanding our business. Thank you so much, and thank you.